In this class, let us learn Wheatstone bridge. The bridge has four resistors P, Q, R and S. Across a pair of diagonally opposite points A and C, a battery is connected. This is known as battery arm. Across the other pair of diagonally opposite points B and D, a galvanometer is connected. This is the galvanometer arm. For a balanced Wheatstone bridge, the galvanometer shows null deflection or zero deflection. Then the current through galvanometer is zero. Ig is the current through galvanometer. For a balanced bridge, Ig is equal to 0. And let us apply Kirchhoff's rule. Loop rule. For the loop A, B, D, A. That is, we are analyzing the loop clockwise. The PD across P, that is I1P, plus the potential difference across galvanometer is 0, plus 0, minus I2R. That is, we are analyzing clockwise and the current flows through R in the anti-clockwise direction. So it is minus. Minus I2R is equal to 0. Therefore, I1P is equal to I2R, or P by R is equal to I2 by I1. That is the first equation. Now let us apply the rule to the second loop BCDB. Loop BCDB. Here the potential difference across Q, that is I1 into Q, minus I2 into S, because the current flows in the opposite direction, minus 0 is equal to 0. I1P minus I2S minus 0 equals 0. Or I1P is equal to I2S. Or Q by S is equal to I2 by I1. That is equation number 2. Comparing 1 and 2, since the right hand side is same, we can equate the left hand side. So P by R is equal to Q by S, or P by Q is equal to R by S. This balance condition provides a practical method for determining the unknown resistance. This is the condition for the galvanometer to show null deflection. So this principle is used to determine an unknown resistance. A device based on this principle is meter bridge. Now let us say meter bridge. A meter bridge consists of a resistance wire AB of 1 meter long. It is fixed at the ends of a metallic strip. And this metallic strip has two gaps, G1 and G2. Across one gap G1, an unknown resistance R is connected. Across the other gap G2, a known resistance S is connected. A battery is connected between A and B, and the galvanometer is connected between C and J. J is a sliding contact known as jockey. It divides the metal wire into two, AJ with length L and BJ with length 100 minus L in centimeter, because AB, length of AB is 1 meter or 100 centimeter. The jockey can be moved along the wire AB. and it is kept in contact with a point so that the bridge is balanced, or the galvanometer shows null deflection. Then we can compare the meter bridge with the Wheatstone bridge. Current from the cell divides into two, I1 and I2 at the point A. I1 flows through R and S, and I2 flows through AB. So here you can see I divides into two, I1 flows through R and S, and I2 flows through AB, AJ and BJ. AJ is a resistance wire of length L, and BJ is a resistance wire of length 100 minus L centimeter. When the galvanometer shows null deflection, the ratio of the resistors should be equal. That is, the resistance of AC by resistance of CB is equal to resistance of AJ by resistance of BJ. So this is the condition for a balanced bridge. So R by S is equal to resistance of AJ, that is directly proportional to the length. So we can write the resistance as a constant into L. And resistance of BJ, it is directly proportional to the length 100 minus L. So it is equal to constant K into 100 minus L. Therefore, R by S is equal to L by 100 minus L. So the unknown resistance R is equal to SL by 100 minus L. And L is known as balancing length. It is the length where the galvanometer shows null deflection. Thank you.